today I'm going to show you how to style this super light, super summery mom's chiffon sari and give it a nice fusion twist. Let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm obsessed with you guys, so do drop your comments in the comment section below how you like this. So for this particular drape, I'm going to be starting with the conventional style of the drape. So I bring across the other end of the sari and then I just leave, and at this point I'm going to be making the pleats. First I'm going to take this back, and then I'm just going to measure the height. I'm going to take a little longer than the usual, and then just making the pleats. Let's face it, we all love saris. The drapes can be challenging. So we go this way. Now I'm going to drop it on my right shoulder a little longer, and this side just tuck this side little loose here, and now let's start the pleats. So here we'll not be going the conventional pleats. I'm going to be holding both the edges of the remaining sari. You see both the edges, and then I'm going to just make the pleats. Sari with a twist. So you're not in this kind of a sari, you're not going to get a lot of pleats, but that's okay. We're just going to tuck them inside now, and this is my first style. So all I have to do is just add the belt, and cool. So this is my first style for an effortless summer sari drape. Okay, so if you are obsessed with celebrities having a nice hourglass mermaid drape here on the side of the sari, I'm going to show you a super easy hack that I do personally in this traditional drape. So you have to bring the pallu. You can leave it loose like this, or you can do a full pallu, whichever works for you. Now what happens to this side? So what I like to do is I collect the fabric from here slightly, and then I bring it underneath my pleats and tuck my hand inside my sari here, and I pull this up from here. You see that? This side, so much different. So what you have to do is, this has to be tight from up, and then you pull it up. Without pulling, you see it's loose like this, but when you pull it up under your pleats, take it out from this side, and you have these super tight, super cool pleats on the, and then you tuck it here with the underside and cover this up with this. So you have this nice hourglass mermaid shape here, and let's add some fun and drama. I like to always accessorize, so here goes my belt for the second look too, and buckle bend that side. Great. So this is my second look.